Today is day 13 on my journey cycling across Korea. While we won't actually make any progress today, I will be taking time to explore a little more deeply around Sangju by visiting their bike museum, some random little island I stumbled onto, and at the end, I find something truly incredible. So what are we doing today? I am headed out of the main part of the city because the other day when I came into Sangju, I took a different route than the normal Four Rivers route. Because of that, I missed the bicycle museum. I can easily reach another certification point that I didn't get the other day because it took me out of the way, and it would again take me out of the way tomorrow when I need to head out toward Gumi. I'm gonna get it today so that I don't have to worry about it tomorrow going out of the way. We are about to fly by the hat festival we went to yesterday. If you didn't see that video, check it out. Still in full swing today. All right guys, we are currently on a real road, all cars, not shared between cars and bikes, but this is the much better way to get to where we want to go. It's gonna take us to the bike path. It doesn't seem too busy, though there's a car behind me now. Luckily the cars here are pretty nice. They always try not to hit people. That bridge we can see in the distance, on the other side of it, that's the certification point. We got here really fast. Taking that road was really fast. It wants us to go like all the way around. Here it is, guys. This is the Four Rivers path. This is the bike road. We're on it. Da, 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 da. Oh my God, this uphill is so easy. Not having all that weight. I mean, yeah, I'm still slowing down a little bit, but this is so easy. 700 meters. Man, well, this whole bridge is just for bikes. Oh man, that view. Oh, guys, I don't know if you can see it. There's a huge bike on the side of that pillar. What's that bike doing there? The wind up here is so intense. I guess because I don't know why. I'm not gonna pretend I know why. Okay, I can see the certification point. It's right there. All right, we made it. The certification point has been reached. There is nobody here. Guys, the ink in this stamp is so nice. By the way, this is our first stamp on the next path. They have a map of the Four Rivers up here as well. So we started there, we're going to there, and we are currently here. So that's more than halfway. But there's this one. This is considered part of the Four Rivers path for some reason. It's far, far away. I have it on here, it's far away. Unfortunately, I might miss that stamp, which really sucks because I was checking online how far away this is. I thought, okay, I could ride there one day, maybe stay the night, come back, stay another night in Sangju, and then move on. I've got the time, but it's 5 hours away cycling. The furthest I've done is 3.5. That's according to Kakao. 3.5 because of how much I stop and, you know, the pace I go. That takes me like 7 hours. 5 hours is gonna take me like 10 hours. So that's 2 10-hour days back to back with all that heavy gear. I don't understand why it's all the way out there. It honestly makes me kind of infuriated that they put this one random one that's not anywhere along the path. It's not going to Busan. It's just out there. 5 hours right away, one way, another 5 hours coming back. So this map here is showing other stuff to do around here. This is interesting. So we are there now. The bike museum is here, number 1. To get there, we're gonna have to pass this island. And this island looks like this really beautiful shot down here. So I'm thinking we go to the bicycle museum and we go over to the island, and we can maybe even cross the island and go to number 8. It looks like there's some temple. That's the plan. All right, step 1, back across the bridge. Guys, you can literally see the island. It's right there. There's the bridge across. I can see the other bridge on the other side. How did I not notice that before? I guess I was too busy looking over here. This is gonna be easy. Guys, I think I found a pretty popular tourist place near Sangju. There are busloads of Koreans showing up right now, getting off. There's tons of like bikes and things doing it. I think I'm not gonna be alone today. So I still haven't made it to the bike museum because I saw another interesting thing and I had to pull over and see what this is. It's blocked off, so I can't take the bike, but people keep stepping over it. So let's go, just get a better look. It's a campsite for sure. There's lots of people camping over there, but... Alright, this is definitely just a campsite where people are camping. I don't want to disturb anybody. Buildings were just so weird. I had to see it.
5 minutes later.
Nah. The bike downstairs was donated from Davis in California, the sister city of Sangju, which I've never been to because I've never been to California. This bike is wild. Dude, the chain is huge. The chain is crazy long. Is this for real? I don't know, man. That looks uncomfortable. Ah, this is one of those where you lay back. I've seen a few people on like a modern version of this. I really wonder what it's like to ride one of these. I've never tried it, so I don't know. It looks uncomfortable, but if you've been on one, let me know in the comments. What is it like? Dude, these are made of wood. This one has a face on it, like a dragon. Reminds me of something out of Harry Potter. It's like it really looks like a broomstick from Harry Potter, but they put wheels on it. That's from 1790. That's old. That's before I was even born. Woo. This just looks crazy, man. Wooden bike. I don't know. I'd be afraid I'd get termites. A pretty nice view. Pretty cool, but he said there's something happening if I go down to level 1 in the elevator, so we'll check that out too. Ah, there's a stamp exhibit. I don't know where it is though. There's nothing here. Found it. It's just not connected to the room where the elevator is. Ooh, it's getting bright. That was pretty cool. Stamps aren't really my thing, but it was cool nonetheless. All in all, the bicycle museum's pretty cool. It's not too big. I think it's worth stopping in. Check it out. You could see it all in like 20 minutes. I mean, you're cycling anyway. You might as well check out the bike museum. Come on.
A few inches later.
We made it to the bridge, going to the island. I want you to walk the bike across here. It's not too far. I think I see the viewpoint over there. I don't know if that's what that is or not, but it might be. I don't really know what's making this little island so popular, but it's not that big, so we'll do the trails around it, try to go through, see most of it, see what it's all about. There's the cycling bridge we were on earlier. Can you believe they built a bridge like that for bikes? No way they do that in the US. Okay, I can't speak for all of the US. No way they're building something like that in Indiana for bikes only and not letting cars go on it. That's wild. Over here's another turtle. It's cute. And the mountains on the other side are beautiful. Guess we'll be going up that. Okay, I see an observation deck right there on that mountain that I didn't see before. It's far up there. Right there. You see it? Yeah, it just seems like a nice park that happens to be an island. Cool though. The other side is calling me. Let's head toward the bridge. All right, we made it across the bridge and I see multiple different points of interest in each direction. I think the nearest is right there, so let's go there first. Looks like this one's not a tourist spot at all. It's an actual traditional accommodation. I guess you can stay here. Probably expensive, I bet. This is a really beautiful area. And we're gonna go up the hill back there. I already saw the path. I see the road to the observation deck. There's 2 observation decks. Looks like the easier one, but still we're going up. Dude, pushing the bike with so little weight on it, feels almost like I'm pushing nothing at this point. Well, I made it up. It wasn't too far. It looks like the observatory is closed, but it doesn't matter. The view of the island is still incredible. Look, you can see the bike museum from here. That's neat. Okay, the other main thing I'm interested in here is the temple and the other observation deck, the higher observation deck. Up in that mountain, we're gonna attempt it. Kakao map says it's only 500 meters away, so it's half of a kilometer. The grade doesn't seem that bad. Every day with all that weight, once you take that weight off, oh my God, things are so easy. Over halfway there, there's other people walking down, meaning other people went up there to check it out as well. They're all like, annyeonghaseyo. Everybody's so nice out here. Wow, guys, unexpectedly turned into downhill, which isn't good. That means I'll have to go up this on the way back. Oh no, we turn here. Okay, I won't have to go too far up. And up this one now. Pretty steep, man. That's a really high grade. It's probably like 15 at least. Okay, we are way higher up. The road is flattening out. I've been passing lots of Korean hikers. Some of them try to talk to me in full Korean and I'm like, I don't understand. Some speak a little English though. Man, it's getting windy up here. It's a windy day. Also, I'm an idiot. This is 500 meters from where I started. If you exclude roads, once you click the track button on Kakao, it tells you how long on the roads. 1.6, so a lot more than I expected. I'm like, man, how is this 500 meters? Anyway, we are actually really close now. Turns into a little off-road. We've apparently arrived, but I don't see anybody else here now. And the path to the observation deck, I don't see it. The map says it's right here. I wish those people hadn't left. I'd really like to see like locals at one of the temples so I know what you can like do and go in and look at. I don't want to like disrespect anything by touching something that I'm not supposed to. But every time I end up at a temple, I'm the only one here. Okay, so the temple's back there. I went ahead and parked the bike here. And the only path I see is this one. So we're gonna follow it for a little while. Stay safe, bike. Don't get stolen. I'm really starting to see something beautiful through the trees. If this isn't going to an observation deck, I don't know where it's going to. Because we're just going up, up, up. Oh man. Okay, I found something. This isn't what I saw from the island, but it's an observation point, that's for sure. See what we can see. Whoa! This spot is actually crazy. I don't have a fear of heights, but oh my God. This might be the highest point I've been. I think this is higher than where we were the other day by that waterfall. Holy God. Whew. My heart's beating fast. It's probably hard to tell from the video, but that's crazy. And the wind? Oh man, I'm really scared for my phone. It is really windy. All right, let's head back. Also, it's cool you can see the pattern on the island. That's interesting, like a flower or something. Anyway, let's head back down. 2 groups showed up after I did, but they all came from the other direction. I mean, I know there's another way to get here, but it looked longer to go that way. Maybe people can't find the path from the temple because it's not where it says it is on the map. You gotta go deeper through the temple. Bike's still right where I left it. I don't know, I just feel like you can't do that in the US. I mean, I feel like they'd at least go through the bags and take my camera. Let me see. Oh, it's definitely still in there, unless they replaced it with some rocks. Guys, we freaking flew down that hill. So unfortunately, you're not gonna get to see it all because the camera died like halfway down. Don't know what's up with the GoPro. It's causing me lots of issues. It keeps turning off, stop recording, dying, even though there was 40% battery left. Just made it back to the hotel. The wind is horrible today. Fought me the whole way. Gonna put the bike up and get some food. Man, I really hope the wind is not that bad tomorrow when I have everything on the bike. That sucked.